Hey guys, I'm very excited to review for you today the PetSnowy self-cleaning litter box. I'm going to get into all the different features, demo it, show you exactly how to set it up, and everything you're going to need to know so you can decide whether or not this litter box will be right for you. So, absolutely beautiful design. I love just how minimalist and how aesthetically pleasing it is to the eye. Definitely a great litter box that will fit in with a variety of different decor styles. It definitely fits in nicely within my home. I really love it. Plus, very easy to clean, to assemble, and disassemble. It already comes fairly set up, and it has this nice modular design here, so you can easily just pull all those different pieces apart. The top, our globe here, everything. And now let's look a little bit more at our setup process for this. So everything here did come all put together. I threw some litter in the globe right here. Make sure not to exceed that line there, that max fill line, or else it will drop down into the waste drawer below. I've also got it plugged in here. We've got our nice long cable, which will connect down there in the back. And then once your litter is in, make sure to go ahead and press that reset button so then it can recalibrate the weight inside. It will spin around just like so. And then we'll need to get our TiO2 deodorizing system installed, which is this guy right here. It kind of just pops on magnetically like so. And I must say, it honestly smells amazing. Like it's as if I just walked into a perfume store, honestly. Then it will pop back in over here, just like so. My cat's here wondering what's going on. And this is thankfully also equipped with our waste bag already. It has this really great auto sealing feature with this magnet so that when the globe moves and then the litter drops down, it'll go in, shut, and you're all good to go. Now, if this weren't already installed, it is super easy. Just the little holes on the litter bag are gonna pop around the pins. So you bring it in, pop those in, pop these in, and then seal it back up, and then slide it in. Now, we have got our lovely panel right here. Plus, if you would like, you can use app control with this. You can just come here to add a device. Make sure to long press the reset button to turn on the Wi-Fi, and then you can go through and add your device. And you'll be able to control everything in a lot more detail. And then we have our control panel here. Of course, the reset button, that is the Wi-Fi indicator, as well as resetting. We'll do that every time the litter gets changed out. And then we have our trash can button. That one is going to empty out all of the litter, and then you can restart. Good for a nice deep clean, put in some more litter. And then we have our clean button here, that little brush. That is just going to rotate the globe and clean out whatever waste is currently in it and drop it down into that bag. And then we've also got our cute little cloud icon right here. It's going to change color depending on different things. For example, if I put my weight on it, it thinks that there's a cat inside, and it is going to do this green and blue. And now this is a self-cleaning litter box, so it will detect when your cat is inside due to weight and that detection, as well as when your cat leaves. Once it leaves, soon after, it will start the self-cleaning. So let's go ahead and demo that. So now here is my cat inside the litter box. She's about to do her business. I absolutely love just how much easier this makes it for my routine as well as for my cat. One thing that I find that helps a lot is this anti-litter tracking walkway. You'll see it's designed with these raised grooves right here. It's this really nice silicone. It feels nice on my cat's paws, but is also designed so that it curves. You'll see it curves from the globe out toward the front. So it creates that little walkway. It will trap that litter. My cat's been using this for some time now, and you will see here that it has trapped quite a lot of litter, which is perfect. It's litter that is not getting onto my floors. Plus, I love that you can just pull this right out. And then what I will usually do is hot dog this up, shake it right back into the globe, and then voila, it's literally all clean and pretty again. Then push it right back inside, and we are all good to go. Litter always tracks. It doesn't matter if I get the anti-tracking litter, but this helps to create that second defense. But you'll also see that during the cleaning process here, after your cat has left the litter box, is when that TiO2 deodorizing system activates. So the way it works is that there is a TiO2 coating that works together with that UV light to neutralize any odors that have been created due to your cat doing her or his business. And then in combination with the little fragrance box inside, it will mask any extra odor. Plus, with the anti-litter walkway, our sealed waste bin and drawer down here, no litter, no waste, no smells, no nothing is getting out of the litter box. It's a really cool system and way better than many others that are designed to just mask the smell. It's designed to really neutralize it and tackle it right at the source. All right, she has done her business, and it will very soon begin the automatic cleaning. And the cleaning process has started, so PetSnowy is super simple. The globe moves and then it goes through that sifter right there. It keeps the litter safe and ready on the other side while collecting that cat waste. And voila, as you can see, the globe is all clean again. And the waste was perfectly collected and plopped into the waste bag. And I think that's about it. I absolutely love the PetSnowy self-cleaning litter box. Honestly, it has totally transformed the pet care routine for my cat as a pet owner. It just makes everything so much easier. That automatic cleaning, just going right down to the waste drawer, plus how it keeps my space so fresh. It just is a far cry from scooping out poop into a bag and having to run it out. It's a lot cleaner, it's a lot more effortless, it smells good too, and it's just such a pretty device that's still very space saving within my home. I love it, my cat loves it, and I hope yours does as well. Definitely grab your own PetSnowy. Go to the link in the description to get yours today and watch just how much easier your pet care routine becomes. Hope you love it just as much as I do.